Hello everyone. So our next topic is data handling. In this video, we'll learn its new concepts of data handling. So let's just start. You all know what is data. The data is a collection of information in the form of numerical figures. Like we have weight of someone, heights of students, weights of student, ages of student, or the marks of students. So what are they? They are the data of any information around us. So in data handling now, we have some new terms that comes under averages. So let's just start understanding that this in this video. So under average, we have mean, median and mode, and another term that is range. So we will discuss this four terms in this video today. So let's just start. Mean. What is mean? A mean is an average. Average means what? Average is basically a central value of a group of data or a group of numbers, because at a time we cannot take all the numbers together, so we'll take a central value of all that numbers, which is called average. So here the average mean, how we can find it? We have a formula for that by adding all the numbers together and divide it with the number of elements in that. So let's just see how we can solve it. We have some steps as well. So here you can see some numbers 8, 10, 12, 18, 22 and 26. So what is the first step? The first step is you will add all the numbers. So when you add all the numbers, you will get 96 here. So then the next step is divide. Divide the sum by the number of addends. So how many numbers we have here? We have 6 numbers. So the 6 numbers will divide it with the sum, and the sum will be get 96. The 96 will be divided with 6 and the mean will be 16. Next is median. The median is in the middle. Median means median is in the middle. Though when you have some observation, you will see the middle value. Here you can see 1, 3, 7, 10 and 13. So here you can see the middle value is 7. So the middle value of the numbers of the data is the median. So but one thing you have to see or remember, that you have to order that number first. Whenever you order the number, then only you can find the middle value correctly. So here the median is 7 when you ordered the number like this. Next, 21, 18, 24, 19 and 27 we have. So first what will we do? If we go step by step, we will first arrange them in an order. So when you arrange them in an order, 18, 19, 21, 24 and 27 we can write it, and then we will find its middle value. So you can see now the middle value is 21, but earlier it was 24, which is not correct. So what you will do? Always in median, you will first arrange them in an order and then find its middle value. Then only you will get the correct answer. Next, what if there is not only single one value in the middle? See, if there is two middle numbers in the median or in the data, whenever the numbers are written, if there is two middle values of the numbers of the data, then what you will do? Then you will add both. 21 plus 25, you will add both and divide it with 2. This is the way you will find when you have two numbers in the middle. You will add them and divide it with 2. Then the answer is 23. So 23 is now our median. So there are two cases when we have one middle value and when we have two middle values. When we have one middle value, it is clearly the median, but when we have two middle values, we will add them and divide it with 2, and then it is called our median. Okay, so now the next is mode. What is mode now? The mode is, you can see written is most popular. What does that most popular here mean? The most popular means the most frequent number. Here you can see some numbers 1, 1, 3, 7, 10, 18, and here 1 is written 2 times. Among all, 1 is most frequent, that means, so the mode is 1 here. Why? Because the mode is a number that appears most frequently in the sets of number. So here 1 is our mode. You can see another example. Which number is a mode here? 28, 8, 4, 8, 19 first is written, and then we have arranged them in order. So after arrange them order, we can clearly see that 8 and 8 are written 2 times. So here 8 is the frequent number and 8 is our mode. So also you can see that when we are arranged that numbers, we can clearly see the mode. So always remember that you have to arrange the numbers first and then see the mode and median. Alright, next is the range. What is range now? The range is a distance between. What is the distance between here numbers and between? You can see the difference between the greatest and the least value is the set of numbers. So range is here the numbers difference, or you can say the distance between the numbers. So here you can see the numbers written are 1, 1, 3, 7, 10, 18. So you what have to find is, you have to find the least number and the greatest number for the range. So 1 is the least number and 13 is the greatest number here. So you have to find the difference now. So 1 and 13, when you subtract 13 minus 1, you will get 12. So 12 is our range. The range means the difference between the greatest and the least value. Next, you can see another example. What is the range here? 4, 8, 8, 19 and 29. So 4 is the least number and 29 is the greatest number. So just find out their difference and you can get the range. Hope this all terms are clear now. The range, the mean, the median and the mode. This will help you to get the concept better, and you can solve more questions based on it in the class. And for queries also, we'll take all the queries in the class.